there is. These two things are also ankeled. You move the sprocket a bit. If you're mounting the clutch, you have to push it over the stump. And as you remember, there is, let's take it out again to show you. There is the ankeled clutch sprocket that has to fit the primary toothing. These two toothing are also ankeled, and we push it in this direction. So if, when you put it on, if the clutch gets stuck, you have to move the primary a bit. When the engine is open, you can do that on the other side. If the engine is closed, you just take a small screwdriver, the small gap between the casing and the clutch, and you move the sprocket a bit. Smaller one than this. This one is too thick. Where's the thin one? You just move the sprocket a bit, and then the clutch will slide over onto the stump where it should sit. I will show you this with from the other side as the engine is still open. It got stuck. You see, nothing is moving. You can hammer on it, etc. and so on. If you put too much force on it, then it will open. Just take it out anyways. You just take the finger, or as told before, screwdriver here in the gap between casing and clutch basket. You just move the primary a bit. And it will slide on the stump and sit where it should be. Cheers guys, see ya. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content.
Oh, ist du deppert! Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?
First rebuild, so it's the first time it's been. And like rebuild as in.
That's a beast!
Did you have a lot of it?
The spring is way too hard! Aua!
Is this the back one?